Friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to do if else statement in Python. So first we will open Collaboratory. After that we will go to this here and we will do new notebook, and after that when it will be created we will be renaming it, so it will take some time. Once this file is created, we will name it if else, and first we will define an input. The input will be input tell me number. First, in Python we have to write if a is bigger than 0, then print this is a positive number. After that there is one word called elif, means else. From else it is el, and if is if, means elif. A is smaller than 0, so it will print this is a negative number. After that we will write else. In this we will make one indentation error. If we do like this is very common mistake in Python. Means when the statement is over, it directly takes us, when we do enter, it directly takes us here. But if is aligned to this, then we have to align to that. So else it will say this equal to 0, full stop. After that let's check it. It is connecting here. If you first go, then directly click on this connect, then it will be faster. So once we write here 1, so we have done one mistake here. We have to write here int, and then it will be fine. Once we write here int, then int means integer. In last video I have explained the 3 terms: int, float and string. So this is positive number. Then if I do -1, then it will say this is negative number. And after that when I will do 0, then it will say this number is equal to 0. So that's it in this video, guys. We will meet in next video. Thank you for watching.